Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make a video on Password Boss. So first off guys, what you have to do is click on try Password Boss free. So after doing that, you just scroll down a little bit and just select what you'd like to use. Like if you are in a business like an MCP or other businesses, click that. But if you're just you just click on the bottom one. Just me. For the sake of the video, I'll just click that. And now I think that you saw that the app will start downloading. You just have to wait a little bit. It's the app wizard is just 262 kilobytes. That is quite the light wizard, I might say. We just wait for a second here for the app to prepare the installer, and don't try to rush things, guys. Nothing great is going to happen if you try to rush things. We just wait for a second or two, and after that we're just gonna click on install. So here it I'm sorry guys. So now we have to allow this. Now we have to wait for a second again to finish installing. So then you can like check your phone for a second or do something other than looking at the screen, because it won't take long, but depending on your PC and on your internet, it might take some time. So then after that, click on finish and just wait for a few seconds. So after doing that, we have to just, I guess, wait for a second to open, or we can open it manually. Here's it, Password Boss. I'm just gonna open it up. And let's just wait for a few seconds. Here is it, Password Boss. Welcome to Password Boss. Enter your email address, and our email address is this one. Guys, be careful when writing in your email address. You may get something wrong. And after I was going to say that after after entering your email, some apps want an email verification, if your email is not right, you may not receive the email, and you'll be like, oh, where's my email? And sure, it was your fault that you didn't receive it, not the program's fault. But now we have to make our master password. So for that, we have to think of your password, guys, but try to make it a little bit stronger. If it's strong enough already, don't. But if it's quite simple, just try to make it a little bit stronger, and after a little bit I'll give you the ultimate advice for me. So right now I'm just gonna enter my regular platform, regular password, and here it is. This is the ultimate password, mine, because it has from everything. It has everything from small letters to capital letters, and everything, numbers, everything you can think of. So first name, let's say our first name is Ned, last name is tech, and our address is New York. Okay. Kate Street 18th AP 17. The city is New. The street is New York. The state is, let's say, Louisiana, and the zip postal code is 6100. After that, click on continue. After that, click whatever you want, and now they will prepare your account. So here, guys, you just wait for a second till your account gets prepared, and after this, you'll be in the app. So right now we're in. Let's just do it later. And now we're in the app. So here's a tutorial if you would like to save a password, save a secure note, create your identity, or do anything. But now I'll just show you that manually. Now we can create a password for a website, an app, database, email account, instant messenger server, SSH keys, Wi-Fi, or a different item. But right now I'm just going to show you on Google account. So the username for the Google account is Joe Go the bottom G, and let's say now I'll show you what's the ultimate password. So let's say again we'll use the username. Let's say Joe Go 1 clubs, and already the password is really strong, but if you'd like to have the ultimate strength for your passwords, you can use like a capital letter like LOL, but in the end I always put 2 exclamation marks so that my password gets even stronger. But no folder name, let's say our folder name will be folder 1112, and we'll just save this, put it in here, and here it is. We can also add an app, like the app can be Fortnite, I guess, but no, we don't need that. I'll show you another thing for that. For that, like you can make it a secure note, like for a simple note, and the name is if you'd like playing, let's say Clash Royale, or Clash of Clans. Okay, Clash of Clans, and the folder you again can put it in the folder 1112, and then add a note. So the note is Clash of Clans account, I meant ACC for short of account. So the note is your email, like Clash Warrior 33 years old at gmail.com, and then just save your password, like your password can be 123 clashing them Indians 2 exclamation marks, and then save. And here is it, the Clash of Clans account. You just click on this and you see Clash Warrior 33 years old at gmail.com on the tree clashing them. So right now guys, I'll show you the pricings of Password Boss. Just wait for a second guys for the site to load, and everything should be okay. So for there's a pricing for, okay, where is it? Here's, so there's price for $36 a year per user. It's the value for money rating is 2.5 stars. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. 7 people have rated, so that's maybe why it's so low. Maybe more people have to rate it. If that's one of you, feel free to do it. But that's it guys for the video. I wish you all guys a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.